Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Average Bree, and I'm going to be unboxing BoxyCharm's November box. It does look a little bit bigger this time, taking up more of the screen. And I'm going to show you guys the Moto brushes I received from my Boxy Luxe in September. They made a boo-boo, and they sent me a curling iron instead. But they were really great about things. I didn't even have to complain. They just knew they made the mistake. They fixed it. And I got my brushes in October. So probably towards the end of October. Like maybe last week. Maybe it was November. I'm not quite sure. So here's the brushes. I'll go ahead and show you guys this first, since I need to show them when I got my Boxy Luxe. So I got the 8-piece program set. So this is great. Like, this feels really awesome. So there's that. That's it says it on the back here, a powder brush. So we got a powder brush. Next is a contour brush. Nice and fluffy, good for the contouring. These feel really great. Next, there's a glow brush. Just peel that back there. And a shader brush. Good for shading. Crease brush. I never have too many crease brushes. I love crease brushes. So there's the crease brush. Again, like I said, they're really soft. My daughter really likes Moto brushes. She has a bunch of Moto brushes. So right here we have the smudger brush. And the detail brush. Nice detail brush there. And then this one's for brows. There you go. A little small. So there's that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up my box for November. Get my little thingy to open the tape. Ready? Oop, things are gonna just flying everywhere. Okay. What do I got here? Ooh, so it looks like there's a little like sample card. I'll put that there. Ultimate coverage, water resistant. So there's different samples. And then here's the card. Stellar. Ooh, I like that. And then, let's see. So I'm thinking this is the sample card they want us to swatch. And then we tell them what our colors are. This is Becca Cosmetics 24-hour coverage. So I'll swatch this, and then somewhere on the site we should be able to tell them our foundation colors, because they're going to start putting foundations in our boxes. Also, I do know that the prices changed. So Boxy, the regular box now is like $25 instead of $21. Before it used to be $21. I thought it said when you locked in your price last October that you would keep your $21 price, but I did not keep my $21 price. So I don't know what happened there. But so it's $21 a month, and then they have the premium box that's $35, and then Boxy Luxe that's still every 3 months, which I also get that, which ends up being $50 a month. I don't know how that works now that the price went up, so it might have gone up as well. So you get your Luxe box, and then that one's not weekly or monthly. That one's just tri-monthly, and you get paid. I don't know why I can't talk today. You have to pay every 3 months for that one. So they have some discounts on here. See, use the code for Natasha Denona and you get 30% off of the Safari palette. And I'm going to go ahead and start opening this box. So the first thing I see in here, it's by a name I probably can't pronounce. They say Kypress. Put that like that, so you can see the name and then the box. It is an antioxidant dew, 1.59 fluid ounces. So Kypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. It's an antioxidant dew that lavishes skin and quenches encapsulated antioxidants. So let's see. It's got like a little dropper. Cute little blue bottle. Very serum-y. Feels like a serum. There you go. It feels great, actually. It's, wow, $90. $90. This is my hand. This is the bottle. I mean, it feels great, but $90. I gotta make sure. Yeah, $90. Okay, next, BoxyCharm. This is cool. They got their own brushes now. They have their own brushes, and this is a 2-piece set. I heard they were giving like the 5-piece set in the bigger box. So this is pretty neat though. We have, they feel really neat. It's a 2-piece brush set, and it says right here, create your favorite looks in a totally luxury, our first BoxyCharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, and mineral products. And the brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted and synthetic and cruelty free, which is good. So if you feel that, or you can't feel it, I feel it. Like I said, I'm just kind of off today, I guess. I don't know. They feel great, and I like the handles. The handles there. It's pretty neat. I like oval brushes. Never really had one, but I've always thought they were kind of neat and seeing them like with other brands. So looking forward to trying that. Okay, and those were $35 for 2 brushes. Kind of pricey. Okay, for a minute there I thought I only had like 3 items. I was like, what? But no, they hid them for me. So next I have sheet masks. So these are Tula's Skincare Star Power Nourishing Brightness Cosmic Hydrangea Mask Set of 2. Wow, that is a lot of wording, a lot of words for a mask. They could just be like cosmic mask. But yeah, that's the whole name. These are $22. 2 masks. So they have probiotics to calm the look of inflammation and aid moisture and retention. Grapefruit antioxidant superfood that brightens and the appearance of the skin. Gotu Kola, a herb that conditions the skin and helps improve the look of elasticity. And chamomile calms and soothes and helps relieve the look of redness. That's kind of cool. I actually think these will be something I'm gonna like. My daughter loves masks, so she usually steals mine. But I'm going to try these because these actually look really nice. But they are $22, like I said, and it's a little pricey for masks, but you do get 2, so that's not too bad. Next, I have a Dose of Colors. I do like a dose of colors. In the color Nude Mood. My box, I have it set where I like kind of like neutrals. When I first started getting BoxyCharm, they were giving me some outrageous colors, but it was before they started like looking at the profiles and stuff. I get some really dark colors. I'm like, ooh, doesn't work. But this one looks cool. It is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. And it's Nude Mood, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand. Woo, that is a big doe foot. I like that doe foot. That's a good doe foot. Here's the color. That's a great color. I think that would be a great color on me. So, there's that one. Dose of Colors is $18. And then, last but not least, is the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette. That palette looks awesome. I like the colors. So, let's see. Ooh. I'm going to go ahead and show you those. They're going to be upside down just because, yeah, well, I don't want to show you my mirror in my house and everything, you know. So, let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches. This one's called Eternal Night. Ooh, it's like a glittery gold. That would be like a good topper. A really good topper. Even like if you wanted to go crazy for like Christmas and have like a highlight, it's very glittery though. And then next I'm gonna do this Fireball. That went on real smooth. And Black Matter. These feel really creamy. They don't feel too patchy or anything. So that's good. Zero Gravity. And then I spoke too soon. This one's a little patchy. But again, swatches don't always say how it's going to go on the eyes. The eyes are the ultimate teller. So this is just like an idea. Lucid Dream. That one felt really creamy. And then Stormy Dust. I've run out of fingers. It's here. Lunar Eclipse. Put that one right here. It's that one. And then Mystic Ice. Ooh. I don't know if you can see that one too good. Oh yeah, that's a very pigmented palette there. So I like this palette. I think it's gonna be a good palette because it's got, you have some glitters, you have mattes, so you can do like a transition. So this would be like a bolder palette, like maybe if you want to do like holiday, but it still has neutrals in it, so that you can still, you know, be a little more toned down if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and do my star thing, and then I gotta hurry because my battery says it's fully charged, but it's also saying it's dying. $90. Not too sure about this one. I'm gonna say a star because it's a great product to receive, but I don't know that I pay $90 for it. The I forgot to tell you that the Dominique Cosmetics is $35 for this palette here. I would give a star for that one, a star for the liquid lip, and a star for this. sheet masks and start for this. So out of all of it, a 5, and then of course the brushes that I received from the last box is a star. So for the most part, it was a pretty good box. Let me know what you think of these unboxings. If you want to see a different unboxings, let me know. I'm starting to widen my content and make different boxes available to be unboxed. I just did a advent calendar unboxing as well, so if you guys want to see anything different or anything else, I know I'm going to be doing a Shane Dawson palette reveal when I receive it, who knows when. But thank you for watching my channel. Like and subscribe and ring the bell notification, and you have a great night. Bye.